Creating a request through Jira Service Desk is simple, with or without insight. Having insight just ensures that the customer provides better and more detailed information to the agent, which helps him to solve the request faster. In this video, we are going to create a couple of Jira Service Desk requests as a customer and show how assets tie into the customer experience. So let's get started. In the customer portal, we select the request type we want to create. In our first example, we are going to report an incident. First, we need to summarize the incident. In our example, we can't log into Confluence. The affected business service field is an insight field, giving the customer a list of applications that he needs to fill out to give more details about his incident. Next to the custom field, we can see a magnifying glass icon. By clicking on that, the customer can view all business services and details about each service. In our example, we are going to select Confluence as the affected business service, as we can't log into Confluence. Once the fields have been filled out, the customer clicks on the Create button to create the request. In our second example, we are going to request new software to show dependencies between two insight fields. As before, we click on the request type to start to fill out the request form. First, we fill in the summary for the request, and then there are a couple of insight fields that we need to fill in. The first insight field is the affected computer. The computers showing there are only the computers that are used by the reporter of the request. The next field is looking at the affected computer field and only showing software that is available and not yet installed on the selected computer. Here we select Cisco AnyConnect VPN client as the requested software. When we have filled in all the fields, we create the request by clicking on the Create button. Now we have seen two examples of how a customer can submit requests in the Jira Service Desk portal, where insight fields or assets are included on the request form.